Oh my God, thank you, DJ Alpha. You're looking at your fellow billionaire. Corona, my now. We're going to market cancer. Man, Ogbuefi I is going to shop. Wait, notice it. Yeah, I was going to market one and number. Okay, was one. Enugu, what's up now? What's in the apple? Wow. Hey, it's been long I came to Enugu, and I'm happy here, seeing these beautiful faces. But this man's face, okay, who the email? I don't know why you're sitting here. Please, sir, relocate. From this angle, from this side, he politician dalada. Sir, who are you? There, who they serve? Come on, sir. Who are you, sir? Sorry, sir. Are you the one that paid for the table? I will know who I'm talking to, so that if I go outside, I will know the frog jump that I will do, where it's coming from. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to be here in this our critical time and this our dollar rising and falling time. You guys came out to laugh. Please, a round of applause for yourselves. It's not easy. Yeah. The way where they keep the people where buy table this side. By this time, check your time. The people, the regular people, are you seeing me? How are you? Are you guys okay? So quiet? They don't see anybody there. Even this side. Only I want it by now. Even this side. Hello, this side. Are you seeing me? The regular, make some noise. Now they make show sweet. The people were there for table. Now them they enjoy the show, but now they make the show sweet because people will pay for table sit down here. Most of them they get many bills will pile up. So some of them came with their problem and sat down here. They may expect can be up on mother can be a go back. Look, I said, oh, yeah, Ogbuefi I. Okay, Kedi on a comedian. Good corner. On that, you walk down at bank. Okay, it's a one on at Wire. Young query corner. A woman on Nabani, I don't go here what. I'm telling you, I beg, please, a round of applause for Twin Parrots. No, a clap for those guys. I enjoy those guys. They were talking about Gen Z, now wedding. The people that can do those things are slim, beautiful girls. Me imagine, or 2 piece here, Hana. It was here, DJ Bego that to Iman I went Hoffman on it. I don't have a week, don't even see the tonton. Now bring it down, but you go carry your wife. You go respect your wife. To play. Well, bring her down. They go raise the hand. No be problem. Now the movement. Play. Now the husband go tell him, you know, when you're married to a slim lady, you don't know what God did for you. Check all the men. If they are going, check all the men where they show their wives for social media. Check their wives. Very slim, elegant, beautiful. I never see person who carry fat wife come out show for social media. Does it mean you're not proud of the size? No, not that they are not proud. If you reap fat, he has a way of disgracing you, including me. See this shirt why I wear. Opposite I wear shirt way big. Say Afonka cool. I wanted to talk in. Man, I talk going here. The day that I know that may want a problem. If you check now, if you watch me, not be like this belly they be increased before. You don't they go inside. Chairman of Wezo, why you there here? Anytime when my face hit your face, it remind me of something. I don't know. I touch on them before. I don't know. It's a connection now. I don't know. Now, the thing will make me enter gym. Now, the day where I carry one girl, I don't go lie. When I want very slim girl, I know say slim girls, they can disgrace an old man. You don't go know. Now, only slim girl go call it, come here. Sit down. And slim girls, they know where to touch you. As that hand go like this, call here, call your mouth, come go your ear. Like this man now. Oh, guy, you no go lie. These small girls, they control you. You no go lie. You cannot lie about it. So, I done with this girl. You get on, do. You get on, come, relax. Don't shirt, don't sing. I don't know what it make me. Instead of me to live singlet, the last hope of this belly. Don't sing great. We also know wuru. Now, name ne. Immediately you put sing great. Nchoba here, choba. Now only here no no. Therefore, they been na bonia for. No, seriously. Now talking about marriages that are breaking up. See, this cheating. Where did they talk? Cheating for marriage is bad. Whether it's coming from the man or it's coming from the woman, there is no justification for cheating. So if you dey here, you dey cheat, and you keep quiet as I dey talk this thing, you are a suspect. It's my oga wey keep in hand like this, they listen to me. They be like saying, "Now you be president, cheating association." You have to stop it. But I don't notice, I don't do my research. I don't say, waiting the cause cheating, a very small thing. If you are a woman here and you catch your husband cheating, there is a very simple way to handle that situation. That man no go ever cheat for his life again. Bring out your biro and your paper and write down. If you catch your husband, women, if you catch your husband, they cheat. No shout. Leave him. Go house. Go cook a favorite soup. Immediately on Abata. Wear those lingerie where they there. No wear anything inside. As they come in, baby, are you back? Come and have your food. Leave and go. The man here jacket corona door. Go here, kweja na kpora na efi. Person come and eat. You go see a grown-up man on Abata be on so. Now as he enter the food there for table. As he they eat the food, no do anything. Just allow and they eat. Are you enjoying the food? He go look you. Enter kitchen. They monitor. As they eat that food from kitchen, bring out 2 knives. Pass in front of him. Do it like this. No talk. Just go keep the knife. Let the man. Leave him. He go sleep. Around 2 a.m. You know, say if a man cheats, in conscience no go rest. Him no go rest. Around 2 a.m. That time when don't sleep, go. You, no na kokoya. Edinera na, yan wadi no otu a. Si otu anol. Ne. That time aji agwora. That time nwoke ji agwora, ora na. Obia me ka onye nyere ihe na nro. Metu ya kanant. Ingo, wake up, look you. Ogene. No talk, lie down, sleep. Oh yeah, you're going to be from 3 a.m. till 10 a.m. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we all are having fun tonight, right? We're having fun. If you're happy for FunnyBone, please make some noise. Put your hands together. They don't talk, say they know they spray money. Normally, any show where I go, I they make money go. But because of that thing where they write, nobody they spray money. It's good. No spray. So that EFCC no go spray you. Yes. Cubana chief priest don't go. Now, let me imagine ka for Cubana chief priest here then I say. Just me imagine no money gather ni home. Officer, 1 minute. Now me be money na water. You don't know me. After Ape fight Portable finish, I just meet there. Let me Ape see what I done. Why Ape keije? Now one the Portable ko apromanya. Na wada wanda ga epiam that time. Ba ho pia mi amato onu gari e hebrum no no. Okri o.